At the doctor's office, a 20-something man was trying to make an appointment for a Mrs. Brown. Try as he might, he just could not remember her first name. A few minutes later, I passed him outside the office on the phone.
2 hours later.
He said, "Hey, Dad, what's Mom's first name?" Our son was upset that his baseball coach yelled whenever he or a teammate made a mistake. I said, "It's just something coaches do, it's not personal." His response was hard to argue with.
Stop it. Get some help.
If it's not personal, then why do they use your name?
Black eye, yeah. I don't know what to do.